Hey guys, in this video we are going to see about why you should not buy a RO system for your home. The first thing, I'm not here to talk about the RO system demineralizing the water, because we can just add a mineral cartridge to RO water to get the sufficient mineral back. So that's not an issue now. The thing is, we should not give so much contaminated water with higher TDS, because in RO system each and every part will be affected through the salt and contaminated particles, and you will need to replace every other parts in the RO system frequently, which is not efficient. In case in your home you can't able to provide a sufficient quality of water to RO system, it's better go with the canned water. If you calculate with electricity cost and filter changing cost of an RO system, there is no much different in price between RO water and canned water. You may think that the last video in this channel is how to build a RO system, but in this video I'm addressing the negative parts of the RO system. In this YouTube channel, we have a clear motto to give you a better idea of the product, helping you to make a better decision. That's it for this video. Have fun guys. Until then, bye from SS YouTube channel.